Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to write 10 lines essay on YouTube. YouTube is an online video streaming platform. YouTube is such a platform that allows users to upload their personalized videos. Users can create their own channels and upload videos on various topics. Over YouTube, users can like, dislike, and comment on their favorite videos. YouTube also provides an advertising service through Google AdSense. This platform has given rise to many famous YouTubers who have built massive followings and careers. YouTube is available in more than 80 different global languages. YouTube is active in the entire world except from some countries. Google purchased YouTube on 9 October 2006. YouTube is an integral part of modern entertainment, education, and culture.